Amazing beauty tips with potato. You can get beautiful skin using simple natural products like potato. Potato is the most widely used vegetable in the kitchen. It is highly beneficial for the health and in beauty care. Potatoes are rich in starch and vitamin C. They are also used in many beauty products available in the market. Here are some simple beauty remedies using potato. Removes marks and scars. For this, we need potato, lemon juice, honey. To remove dark spots, marks, and scars from the face, take a fresh potato and extract its juice. Now, mix equal amount of potato juice, honey, and lemon juice in a bowl. Using cotton pad, apply this mixture on your dark spots, or you can also apply it all over your face for better results. Within a week of applying, you will notice a healthy glow and reduced marks on your face. It will also lighten and brighten your complexion. Remove dark circles. Potato juice is very helpful in reducing and removing dark circles. You can simply slice some cold potatoes and apply it on your eyes for 20 minutes. Or you can also apply potato juice under your eyes using cotton pad and allow it to stay overnight. Use chilled potato slices under your eyes to depuff eyes and you can reduce dark circles under eyes. Treat wrinkles. Potato is rich in vitamin C, which makes it one of the best anti-aging products. Apply potato juice on your face daily for around 20 minutes and your wrinkles will be reduced to a great extent. It will also slow down the aging process. Natural toner for clean skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of potato juice with 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice in a bowl. Using a cotton pad, apply it evenly on your face. This mixture acts as a natural toner and will control oil secretion. It will close your pores and will soothe your skin. Hair fall. To reduce hair loss, take 2 tablespoons of potato juice and mix it with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey for moisturizing benefits. Apply this mixture on your hair roots and massage your scalp for at least 15 minutes. After 2 to 3 hours, rinse off your hair with natural shampoo. These are all some amazing benefits of potato juice.